Friends, now I'll teach you an easy method taking only one verb in 12 times. In present tense 4 times, past tense 4 times, and in future tense 4 times. I teach you now for first person. First is for present simple time, I work. I work means ನಾನು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. For present continuous time, I am working means ನಾನು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. I am is here helping verb. You have to use ing form for continuous time. Then for present perfect time, I have worked. You have to use here have as helping verb. Then past participle verb. I have worked means ಈಗ ತಾನೇ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. For present perfect continuous time, I have been working means ನಾನು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೇ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. Here you have to use have been for present perfect continuous time, and also you have to use here ing form. Next for past tense. For past simple time, friends, you have to use I worked. I worked means ನಾನು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿದೆ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೊತ್ತು ಹಿಂದೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. Here you have to use here past verb. For past continuous time, I was working means ನಾನು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ. Was is here helping verb, friends. You have to use ing verb for continuous time in active voice. Next for past perfect time, you have to use here had. I had worked means ನಾನು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ. Here had is here helping verb. Now it is perfect time, so I have to use here past participle verb. Then for past perfect continuous time, you have to this example is I had been working means ನಾನು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೇ ಇದ್ದೆ. Here you have to use had been as helping verb. Then you have to use here ing form. Next for future tense now. For future simple time, I will work. Here will is here helping verb. I will work means ನಾನು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೇನೆ. Then for future continuous time, friends, I will be working. I will be working means ನಾನು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀನಿ. Here will and be both words are helping verbs, and it is continuous time, so I have to use here ing verb. Future perfect time, I will have worked means ನಾನು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿ ಮುಗಿಸಿರ್ತೀನಿ. Here you have to use will have, then past participle verb, because it is perfect time, use your past participle verb. Future perfect continuous time, I will have been working means ನಾನು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೇ ಇರ್ತೀನಿ. Here you have to use will have been for future perfect continuous time, then you have to use your ing verb. Friends, learn example for second person singular and first person plural and third person plural. You can use here these three pronouns, you or we or they, more than one person or one thing, more than one thing. For example, friends, here you work means ನೀವು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, or you can say plural also, ನೀನು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯಾ. You are working means ನೀನು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀಯಾ or ನೀವು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. Here friends, I have to use here are as helping verb. Are means ಇದೀರಾ or ಇದೀಯಾ, and ing verb, it is a continuous time, so I have to use here ing verb. Then for present perfect time, you have worked means ಈಗ ತಾನು ನೀವು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ. Here you have to use have as a helping verb. Then you have to use here past participle verb. It may be any perfect time, you have to use past participle verb. For present perfect continuous time, you have been working. Here friends, you have to use here have been for present perfect continuous time, then you have to use here ing verb because it is continuous time. You have been working means ನೀವು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೇ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. For past simple time, you worked means ನೀನು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಆರ್ ನೀವು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಸಮ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಆಗೋ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸಮಯದ ಹಿಂದೆ. ಸೊ ಹೌ ಡು ಯೂಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ past verb. For past continuous time, you were working means ನೀವು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಿ. Here were is here helping verb for past continuous time. So continuous time how to use here ing verb. Past perfect time, you had worked means ನೀವು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ. Use here had as helping verb, then how to use here past participle verb because it is perfect time. In present perfect time, have is used. In past perfect time, had is used. Past perfect continuous time, you had been working means ನೀವು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೇ ಇದ್ರಿ. Here had been is used as past perfect time continuous helping verb, then you have to use here ing verb. For future simple time, you will work means ನೀವು ಮುಂದೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. Here will is helping verb. Then you will be working means ನೀವು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀರಾ. You have to use here will be as a helping verb. Then future perfect time, you will have worked means ನೀವು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿ ಮುಗಿಸಿರ್ತೀರಾ or ನೀವು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀರಾ. Friends, you have to use here will have as a helping verb and it is perfect time, so you have to use here past participle verb for any perfect time. Future perfect continuous time, you will have been working means ನೀವು ಮುಂದೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೇ ಇರ್ತೀರಾ. Use here will have been as future perfect continuous time helping verb and it is continuous time, so use here ing verb. For third person, friends, third person means singular form. He, she and it singular form. For example, present simple time, she works. She works means ಅವಳು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಳೆ. Here you have to add yes or for few words you have to few verbs you have to add here yes. For continuous time, she is working means ಅವಳು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾಳೆ. Here use here is as helping verb. Is means ಇದ್ದಾಳೆ. If you use with he is means ಅವನು ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. It is continuous verb, so use here ing verb. For perfect time, she has worked. She has worked means ಅವಳು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಲು. Has is here helping verb. With has you have to use here past participle verb. For present perfect continuous time, she has been working means ಅವಳು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೇ ಇದ್ದಾಳೆ. Use here has been as helping verb, then use here ing verb because it is continuous time. For past simple time, she worked means ಅವಳು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಲು. Here you have to use here past verb. Past continuous time, she was working. ಅವಳು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ಲು. Was is here helping verb. Was means ಇದ್ಳು. It is continuous time, so use here ing verb. Past perfect time, she had worked means ಅವಳು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಲು. Use here had as a helping verb, then use here past participle verb because it is perfect time. Past perfect continuous time, she had been working means ಅವಳು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೇ ಇದ್ಲು. Use here had been as helping verb, then use here ing verb because it is continuous time. For future simple time, she will work means ಅವಳು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಳೆ ಮುಂದೆ. Use here will as a helping verb. Then future continuous time, she will be working means ಅವಳು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾಳೆ. Will be is here helping verb. Be means ಇರು, will means ತೇನೆ, ಇರುತ್ತೇನೆ or ಇರುತ್ತಾಳೆ. It is continuous time, so use here friends ing verb. For future perfect time, she will have worked means ಅವಳು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿ ಮುಗಿಸಿರ್ತಾಳೆ, ಅವಳು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾಳೆ. use here will have as helping verb. Then use here past participle because it is perfect time. For future perfect continuous time, she will have been working means ಅವಳು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೇ ಇರ್ತಾಳೆ ಮುಂದೆ. use here will have been as helping verb for future continuous time. Then use here ing verb because it is continuous time. Present simple time example, first person I work, here use I then present verb. For second person singular plural form, then we first person plural form, and they third person plural form. There you have to use here pronoun then basic present verb. But when you come to third person, he, she, it, singular form, there you have to add s or es to present verb. This is the difference. There don't add any letter, but when you come to third person singular formula, you have to add here s or es to present verb. Present continuous time. For first person friends, you have to use here am as a helping verb. Am means iddini. For second person singular plural form and first person plural be, then third person plural form, that is they, use here are as helping. Are means idiya, iddeve, iddira, then iddare. For third person singular, use here is as a helping verb. Is means idale or idane or ide. Now present perfect time. Example for first person, I have worked. Here have is here helping verb. Here don't search for meaning there. And for second person singular form plural form, first person plural form, then third person plural form, there also use have as helping verb. But when you come to third person form, you have to use here has as helping verb. Have and has both are two faces. Has is one more face of have, that's all. Now present perfect continuous time. For first person, you have to use here have been as helping verb. Been is here past participle of be. Be means iru. I have been means nanu ille idini. I have been here means. And when you use second person singular form plural form or first person plural form, then third person plural form, they use here have been as helping verb for perfect continuous present perfect continuous time. And when you come to third person singular, use here has been. She has been here means avadu ille idale. Here also been is past participle of be, past tense. Example for past simple time, it is very easy. Use your I, that is first person singular. Then you have to use only past verb. There is no helping verb in past simple time. Come to second person singular and plural, first person plural form, third person plural. Here also use any pronoun and use only past verb. There is no helping verb. And for third person also there is no helping verb. Use pronoun then past verb. For past continuous time, first person, use here was as a helping verb. Was means idde. Come to second person. Here you have to use were as a helping verb. Were means ನೀನು ಇದ್ದೆ or ನೀವು ಇದ್ದಿರಿ or ಅವರು ಇದ್ದರು. When you come to third person, use as helping verb was. Was means ಇದ್ದಳು, ಇದ್ದನು, ಇತ್ತು. For past perfect time, use your had as a helping verb. For first person, and for second person also same, use had, and for third person also use had as helping verb in past perfect time. For past perfect continuous time, you have to use your had been as helping verb. The same way for second person, had been as helping verb. The same way for third person also, had been. Future tense, example for future simple time. For first person, how to use here will has a helping verb. Will means ಮನಸ್ಸು ಮಾಡು or ಸಂಕಲ್ಪಿಸಿ, totally ತೇನೆ. Means here for example, I will work means ನಾನು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೇನೆ, like that. The same way for second person also, will as helping verb for future simple time. The same way for third person also, use here will as helping verb tene. Friends, with I and we, shall is used. Actually there are two kinds of English, American English and British English. Now I am teaching American English. In American English, shall is already getting vanished. ಶಾಲ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮಾಯ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಬರೀ ವಿಲ್ಲನ್ನು ಬಳಸಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಫಾರ್ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಟೈಮ್, ಯೂಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಬ್. ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೇನೆ, ಇರುತ್ತೇನೆ ಆರ್ ಇರುತ್ತಾಳೆ, ಲೈಕ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್, ಹಿಯರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಯೂಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಬ್. ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ನೀನು ಇರುತ್ತೀಯ ಆರ್ ನೀವು ಇರುತ್ತೀರಾ. For third person also use will be. She will be means ಅವಳು ಇರುತ್ತಾಳೆ. Will be is here helping verb.